Wait a minute. I've heard the story before. And it always starts to say, I open my Figma, create an ad board, and suddenly every cell in my brain dies and I can't think of a single thing. Well, not really. The problem isn't that you can't think of anything, is that you're thinking of way too much. And that chaos and lack of clarity leads to crippling anxiety. Then you're frustrated. And next thing you know, you're watching a movie with loads of sex scenes to get inspired. I've been there a lot. That sounded wrong. Anyways, today I'm going to tell you how I've been able to break out of that cycle and create amazing work whenever I want or need to. Let's do it. First, get this through that beautiful head. The problem isn't that you lack inspiration, it's that you lack clarity. So the first thing I do when I'm stuck like this is open my notepad and list out everything that needs to be on the page. So say I'm working on a hero section design. The essentials for that page would be the navbar, the header text, the call to action text and buttons, and then social proof of some sort, maybe like in the form of a client list. Then I decide on a visual direction for the design. Is it going to look Swiss, modern, editorial, futuristic, or retro? Once I have a direction, I then go on Pinterest to get inspired by other people's work. This usually takes 5 to 10 or maybe 15 open tabs for me to find some things I like. Notice how I said some things I like, not something I like, because the goal here isn't to replicate someone else's work, but to find assets from multiple sources that could work together with a few or a lot of tweaking and put them together, and boom, an original idea is born. All right, a bit of a commercial break. I'd like to take a second to introduce the sponsor of today's video, me. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you. It's finally time to design. But don't let the excitement of finally having clarity lead you back to square one, because that could really happen very easily. So start small and without worrying about colors just yet. Start with an outbar. And once you have that looking stunning on just black and white, then you're already in the groove and the creative block is virtually gone at this moment and you can move on to the rest of the layouts in the same manner. Go one at a time. Make sure each new component you work on complements the already existing ones and solidifies the entire layout composition before moving on. Don't make the strategic mistake of adding things to the layouts to hide its inadequacies. I assure you, it will pronounce those inadequacies even more. So the next time you get into a creative pickle, try this out and let me know how it goes. And if you feel this video isn't an absolute waste of your incredibly precious time, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, which is going to be a coding video. And I've been wanting to write code for the longest time. I'm excited. See you in the next one.